If you're looking for sketching tips to help you get started on your sketching journey, then I've got you covered. I'm sharing my best sketching advice about sketching for beginners in this video. So if you would like technical advice or just some tips for getting inspired, this video is for you. First, in your early sketches, avoid details. Focus on drawing the larger and medium shapes of whatever it is you're looking at to keep your drawings loose and more free-flowing. And vary your marks. There are a variety of ways to make marks. Sketching for beginners is about experimenting to see how you naturally draw. This includes how you make marks to emphasize darks, especially. It's essential to experiment and find what works best for you. This way you'll grow your natural drawing style. Vary your lines, creating thicker lines for areas where there is more weight and thinner lines for the lighter areas. This use of varied lines will create a dynamic, visually interesting drawing. Apply the 70-30 rule. Essentially, the 70-30 rule helps you create more interesting compositions on your sketchbook page, or 30% of your sketch should be the main focus. The remaining 70% is filler. The more detailed area drives more interest, directing the viewer's attention to the main focus of your sketch. Create a variety of textures. Show different textures within your sketch. For example, avoid shading skin the same way you might shade scales on a lizard or fur on a tiger. Try to capture the unique properties of what you're drawing. Before you sketch, pay attention to whether the object is rough or smooth, then observe if the object is absorbing or reflecting light. This will determine the types of textures you make in your drawing. Make interesting silhouettes. When you're drawing anything such as a human, animal, plant, or a character, pay attention to the silhouette that is created from your sketch. Without looking at any of the internal details of the overall shape of what you're drawing, ask yourself, is the silhouette of what you're drawing identifiable? Is it clear? Embrace imperfections. Sketching is about creating imperfect drawings. Sketching for beginners especially, it's best to not even use an eraser as you're learning to sketch. By keeping thought lines and contour lines in your drawings, you're making your drawings more unique. It's adding your personal signature to your sketches. Only you can create those lines. These imperfections add a uniqueness to your sketch. It's what makes drawing so interesting to look at. And finally, trust your intuition. You'll find that people will respond more to work that feels real and natural. This means steering yourself away from trying to make a quote-unquote perfect photorealistic drawing. Instead, embrace the way you naturally make lines and make mistakes as you draw, not being afraid to keep your thought lines and mistakes in your drawings. Treat your drawings as a record of the moment from when you were looking at a specific scene or object. Don't be afraid to mess up your sketchbook or ruin a page. That's what sketching and drawing is all about. It's about being imperfect and in the moment. Good luck with your drawings. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.